Well, Jedheads are preparing to represent Ireland in the final of this year's Eurovision Song Contest. The competition is taking place in Azerbaijan, and as our arts and media correspondent Sinead Crowley now reports, the Irish twins have been causing quite a stir on the streets of Baku.
Jedheads firmly in place, fans of the twins are now permanently stationed just outside the Irish Jed quarters in Baku.
I am from Azerbaijan. My favorite are Jedheads. I love them very much.
Oh, these guys are so nice. They're so positive, active, and I'm watching their videos every day.
They are so pretty. They are so beautiful. I like them.
Everyone that has seen that we're from Ireland has said they really support the twins and want them to do well and even win Eurovision. So we're so proud of that.
It's been a long and busy fortnight for the twins, with all rehearsals and performances starting at midnight local time, but their energy levels remain, well, epic.
I think it's really, really cool that all countries all around Europe are very, very excited about me and her performing in the final. And the thing about Eurovision is that it brings like lots of cultures together, and I think Jedheads all about the culture of Ireland because we bring so much fun, we bring so much life. Over here we have 20 undercover security guards like right now around us, and we're not imagining it's full on crazy. Like undercover cops everywhere we go.
I'm optimistic and I've total faith in the boys, and I think that's the important thing. I don't think you can top what they do, from their look to their attitude to their dress.
So there's Jed mania here in the streets of Azerbaijan, but the boys themselves are hard at work today. Tonight isn't just a dress rehearsal, it's about jury voting, and that means it's definitely the first step on the road to this year's Eurovision final. Sinead Crowley, RTÉ News, Baku, Azerbaijan.